It's the yo-yo market, waiting for a decision. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, the 4th of June. And wow, what a crazy day. Down big, up big, maybe never down that big. Let's say they've been within a couple 100-point range on both sides, up and down. As I was getting ready to come and shoot the update, we were higher, now we're lower. So it looks like this kind of day going into tomorrow's jobs numbers, not a surprise. In fact, we texted this morning that it could be a whippy kind of day. But as it started to look real strong, then it fell apart and it's looking weak. The NASDAQ is still weaker than the others at the moment, although it did have a big charge up this morning. But right now, we're lower across the board. Not a ton, but we're lower. We're still long, of course. That has not changed. In the meantime, markets are a little bit lower. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, going out through the day. In the meantime, we're very close to all-time highs, and I'd be surprised if we don't go up and get them. Okay. In the meantime, gold has been all over the place, but that 1,700 close yesterday was a hold. And of course, gold was up about 20, 25 bucks at one point. Now it's up about 8 to 9. Platinum's a little bit weaker. Silver is stronger. But again, the metals are holding as they should. Platinum is now in danger as gold was yesterday. And of course, the pressure on gold could not be over yet. I mean, it's only up, 10 or 15 bucks. So again, it could go right down there and take it out. In the meantime, we're still long and we'll stay there. Okay. Crude down a little bit. It's been kind of whippy, but it looks to me, although we're long, it looks a little toppy. I'd be looking, certainly I wouldn't be surprised if it starts to fail from here. Bonds are getting clobbered. Okay, we did reverse the bonds and we are short, which is a good thing, and they are getting hammered. Okay, in fact, we reversed when they were higher on the day this morning, and they're now significantly lower on the day. So, anyways, they're getting hammered along with the notes. Copper is about flattish. It's been on both sides of unchanged. Net gas is a little bit lower. The grains are taking off to the upside today. Now, again, we're getting close. I think I would be certain that soybeans will break out and we'll reverse those tomorrow if we stay up here. Corn is very close, I think, and wheat, I'm not really quite sure yet. It's close, but it looks like we could be seeing breakouts here at the top. Cattle's a little bit higher, both fats and feeders. Hogs are once again lower, which we are short. So basically, we're short the grain, short hogs, and long cattle. But again, we still have the same issue we've been dealing with. It's a liquidity issue. There is not enough liquidity in this market. So no matter how much the Fed tries to pump in liquidity, there's not much there. And again, you go back to the only game in town, which continues to keep the markets trying to go higher. So we'll see. Again, a lot's going to be what happens with the jobs number tomorrow. Originally focused for a very bad number. ADP had a good number yesterday. Much better than expected. Tomorrow, if the number is much better than expected, we may rally off that a little bit. If it's worse, you could see a pretty dramatic sell-off. And we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Again, we can't predict that. We'll just be ready to play, and we will be long, most likely, going into those numbers. And of course, just remember our brand new commodity report, Technomental. I'll tell you, Andy's hit some great picks too. He came up with a couple of ETF picks. PICK in there, that's up to 11%. Beetle, which is up about 16%. So again, he's got some great reads and he understands the commodity space and how to play them. So if you want to check out Technomental from the #1 author at Seeking Alpha and also one of the biggest silver traders in the world at the time, certainly you can. Go to BubbaTrading.com. It's called Technomental, using technicals and fundamentals together. And in the meantime, it's $100 a month, $800 a year. And of course, don't forget about our great brokerage partners, CTG for commodities and futures and letter of direction trading for our product. Do a phenomenal job, great customer service, take care of you. They answer the phone, no voicemails. So you want to check them out, great. And of course, our equity partner is Tradier, who does a phenomenal job with that and also is linked to our APIs so that we can do some of our trading with you. And of course, they're just $10 a month. How can you beat that? So again, our brokerage partners are great. That's CTG and Tradier. You want to check them out, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you their information. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Be careful. It's going to be wild because, again, illiquidity creates wild swings. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.